Be careful what you wish for.
Yeah.
Because large loss not only comes with a lot of headaches, it comes with a lot of complex situations every single time, and it comes with a lot of pressure. Because,
Yep.
I mean, I'm going to be honest, once the client knows what you're going to be making on his claim, tell me no. It's like an added amount of, it's like an added layer of pressure where they're just like, well, dude, you better handle you better be on top of this. And when you've got as many as you've got, it takes, like you said, it takes an army. So I'm glad that you said that, because
Yeah.
it is a bit careful what you wish for. I think it is very complex. It is very difficult to work these claims. It can be very stressful. Ultimately, it is rewarding, but like also you said, I think it's also a good idea. Get your feet wet, get those
Yeah.
residential losses in, get the idea of how the claim worked and how it's supposed to go, and just to, and get there and take it from there.
Well, you know what? We know a couple of things. There was a Facebook post the other day on one of the groups. It's like, hey, how can I fund or factor my large losses? Because what happens is the PAs, they get these large losses and they're 1.8, 2.9, whatever, and they're in it for 50 grand and they don't have any cash flow on it. And that's a lot. It takes a while to build that up. And so, we try to help these younger PAs quite a bit. We'll give a referral fee to bring the claim to us, and we'll pay the referral fee and keep them abreast and train them along the way. Because some of these guys and girls they bite off more than they can chew, and it's cleaning up a big mess at the end isn't great, and it hurts our industry as well. You just gotta you learn and you groom it, and you put your people together to make it all. Um, at the end of the day, get the thing done right. But it's a lot. I'm not going to kid you. It's a lot of work. I think this year we'll probably do 300 to 400 large losses. I think we're on pace to do 220 million in claims submitted, which is a huge number. And literally in our second and a half year, I mean, we started this thing in June of 21, as I came from a different vendor, a different company. But yeah, it's not for the faint of heart. It's not for a weak stomach. I had a head full of hair when I first started doing this.
No, you didn't.
No, I didn't. That's true, and that's all. But it's dude. It's it's a grind and it's hard work and it's persistency, and it's not like, hey man, I'm gonna write a really cool Xactimate scope and hand it in and the check comes. It's not like that. The bigger the claim, the more complex and the more sophisticated the people on the other side are, which can be exceptionally great or tremendously insanely crazy and bad, because they're going to bring attorneys, engineers, forensic accountants, meteorologists. They're going to have a line of people there, and you're going to have a line of people there, and it's just bam, 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 bam. So at the end of the day, your people have to be more groomed and more in depth on the reporting than the other side, and that's how we win. So if you look at it, guys, a large loss, you want to create as much risk as you can for the other side to want to pay it, right? And it is all about just presenting the facts and stop with the BS and stop trying to pull the wool over their eyes, because it ain't 1986 anymore, guys. It's not. It's different, right? They know So I guarantee you, they know what that claim is when they open the damn file up. They have a number there, and our job is to thread that needle to get to that number that makes sense for it's so Vince, right? It's got to be a win for the insured and the insurance company, right? They don't want to go to court. We don't want to go to court. We got to find that little soft spot that makes sense for everybody, where the job gets done, the contractor's profitable, the insurance company pays it without a bunch of rigmarole, right? And then we collect our fee. So it's
Um,
the fine line there.